Hello guys, by the end of this short video, we will be able to know how we can use PowerPoint effectively as a blackboard or whiteboard for our online classes. Okay, you can just add as many blank slides as possible, and then what you can do is you can just change the format this background of the slides to black in order to get the feel of blackboard. So just apply it and run your PPT. You can select the pen, you can change the color to white, and this will give you the feel of blackboard and white chalk. Then you can start writing anything like now it's very easy for me to write because I got a touch screen laptop and I got a pen as well. So people who don't have the touch screen can use the mouse also. So I know the people who are using the mouse and they are writing very effectively because all it needs is practice. Okay, so you can use mouse, or if it is a touch screen then you can use your pen or your finger for writing. Okay, that's the one way. And you can just write on multiple slides. After writing on every slide, what you can do is you can end the show. And you can keep it there. After that, you can save it as PPT or PDF and can share with your students. So that's the one way. That's how we can use this PPT as a blackboard or whiteboard. Now the second way is you can use this Microsoft Whiteboard, which is there. You can just click on whiteboard here and select any pen you want to use. Let me deselect the scale first. You can use the black pen, select the font size, and then you can start writing like hello or anything else. You can change the color, you can use eraser, you can use scale for drawing if you want some drawings, if you want to draw something like diagrams and all. Okay, there are many features which you can explore on your own, like you can just I'm not connected to the internet, but you can get the link of this whiteboard and you can share the link of this whiteboard to your students, and you can just clear the canvas writing. Okay, you can write many things here. So there is a lot to explore about this Microsoft Whiteboard, so it will not be feasible if I cannot complete all the things here. So that is the second way. And the third way is you can get the another tool which we can use for our online teaching is this pen tab. You can just connect your pen tab with the PC and you can just start writing anything like let's see, I'm writing using this pen tab. So you can see, so we can just write anything on the screen when it's on the pen tab, and that will get displayed on the screen. So this is another important tool, and I will suggest to enrich yourself with these type of tools if teaching is really your passion. Thank you.